Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. Grade 6. Today we will study in ILSS Plant Growth chapter number 3, page number 56 till 61, and review question number 2 till 3. We will study the chloroplast, the chlorophyll and the stomata. These are the chloroplast that are found and shown in this picture. Okay students, today we will start a very colorful activity. The activity is what these colors indicate. Okay, so dark green color is glucose, food. Light green color is of chlorophyll, which is in leaves, and water is in light blue color, right? And carbon dioxide is in pink color. Sunlight is as usual in yellow color, and red color is showing photosynthesis. This is the graphical, diagrammatical representation of photosynthesis. They are telling you that many stomata are found on the underside of leaves. This is a pot with a plant. This pot is absorbing water from soil. This plant is absorbing water from soil and carbon dioxide gas from air, and it's getting sunlight it's getting energy from sunlight. In the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, water combines with carbon dioxide and photosynthesis occurs. What is the result production? Result production is dark green and dark blue. That is glucose and oxygen. Glucose is stored is the food for plant. Extra glucose is stored in the form of starch, and oxygen that is produced is used by plants itself as well for respiration. Extra oxygen is given off for the atmosphere, for the other living things. That's all the diagrammatical representation of photosynthesis. Now switch on to page number 56. We were studying that how photosynthesis occurs. So here in this picture, at this page, there are some bubbles shown, bubbles from the underside of a leaf. What are these bubbles actually showing? These bubbles are showing that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Okay. Again, I am telling you that what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of making food by plants in which carbon dioxide gas is absorbed from air and water from soil. These two products are being combined in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, and they are converted into oxygen and sugar. Excess oxygen leaves through stomata, and the sugar made by the plants is mostly changed into starch and stored in different parts of the plants. These parts of the plants are different in different plants, like its stem if it is ginger, its root if it is carrot, its stem if it is potato, its fruit if it is banana, its seed if it is rice. So extra food we are eating, right? We, animals or human beings. One more important thing is shown here, that where is stomata? They are telling you that stomata are found on the underside of leaf. See, they have given a microscopic view as well, that many stomata are found on the underside of leaf. Single stomata is called, single is stoma and plural is stomata. Now at page number 58, what is being discussed, that what is the proof if any plant has done photosynthesis or not. Right now we have studied that if any plant has done photosynthesis, it will be doing two things. It will be giving glucose, it will be giving oxygen in the air, and it will be adding glucose in the plants, in the parts, in the leaves and other parts of the plant. So if the leaves are taken and they are tested, then we can prove that this plant has done photosynthesis. Suppose these are the leaves of the plant, these are the leaves of the two plants. One plant was put in sunlight and the other plant was put in darkness. Both of the leaves were plucked out and they were tested with a chemical. This chemical name is iodine solution. Okay, iodine solution is yellowish brown in color, but if starch is added to it, it becomes blue black. So if our leaf turns into blue black, it proves that it has done photosynthesis and it has made starch. So which leaf has made starch, the upper one or the lower one? You're right, upper one. No, the lower one has made starch and the plant that was put in light has done photosynthesis. Okay, remember again, the lower leaf has done photosynthesis. Now, there is another thing about it as shown on page number 59. They are saying that there is a plant potted in dark for 2 days, 48 hours. One leaf is then covered with black paper which has cut out holes as shown. The plant is exposed to strong sunlight for several hours. The leaf covered with black paper is plucked off and tested for starch using iodine solution. Tell what will be the result of iodine solution. The result of iodine test of that leaf will be this Pokemon, this leaf. Okay, I've sketched out. You can sketch out too on your book. Okay, try it out. This can be done on your book by your friends in groups. Okay, at the last of this page number 59, they are telling that this energy stored in plants and animals is derived from sun, because photosynthesis is also done in the presence of sunlight, and it is okay. These are the key points that you have to learn. See, you have to learn, because these key points are your learning outcomes. They can come as fill-ups or MCQs. They are very important for the whole of your life. If you're going to describe photosynthesis to anyone, these points will be the main key ideas for you to describe photosynthesis. Now, our next topic is plants and nutrients. Okay, we have discussed that plants need sunlight. We have discussed that plants need carbon dioxide. We have discussed that plants need water. Okay, but we have not discussed that why soil, why always we are planting plants in soil. Actually, plants need nutrients and soil provide nutrients to them. How this idea was derived, they have shown you some pictures of very strange plants. One is the pitcher plant and the other is Venus flytrap. Both of them eat flies or other animals like small frogs and other insects. Why do they eat animals? Because they are actually in those areas where the soil is lacking nutrients. So to fulfill their requirement of nutrients, they have adapted a new habit. Okay, and these plants are called insectivorous plants. So it tells that plants, being living organisms, also need nutrients. Plants absorb nutrients from soil. How they absorb nutrients? With the help of roots. That's why in this page number 61 they are showing the roots. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and anchor the plant to the soil. Now here is very important tidbit, science tidbit. Plants can be grown without soil, as in hydroponic and aeroponics. See, soil is very important, but soil is not the only thing which is used to give the plants nutrients. There is another technique. There are two techniques. One is called hydroponic and the other is called aeroponics. If water is sprayed periodically to the plants, they can be grown without soil as well as in aeroponics. Okay? We have done review question number 1 in our last lecture. Now we will do question number 2 and 3 today. Correct the following misconceptions. You have to write neatly these lines in your journals and then write plant taking food from the soil. You know that it's totally wrong. So the answer is plants do not take in food from the soil. They make their own food during photosynthesis. The mineral salts which plants take in from the soil are not food for the plants but nutrients for healthy growth. Only leaves of plants can carry out photosynthesis. It's wrong, as at page number 57. We are going back to page number 57. At the top they have shown one thing. At the top they are showing that non-green leaves have chlorophyll. Find out whether plants with non-green leaves have chlorophyll. So non-green parts of plant can do photosynthesis. Some of the chlorophyll are of different color. They are purple, they are bluish. So they are called non-green plants. So they can also do photosynthesis. Same is the case with the answer of B. B answer is the green stem of some plants such as cacti can carry out photosynthesis too. Now C is only plants with green leaves can make food. So here is again the answer. Plants with non-green leaves can also make food as long as chlorophyll is present, because chlorophyll A is green color, chlorophyll B and C are not in green color, but they can also do photosynthesis. Now D part is plant make food in the form of starch during photosynthesis. Answer is wrong. Actually plants make food in the form of glucose, and this glucose is converted to starch for storage. Okay. E misconception: roots of plants are organs for feeding. No, the answer is roots of plants are organs of absorbing water and mineral salts from surrounding, whether it is soil, whether it is air, or whether it is water. Soil is necessary for plant growth. No, soil is not necessary for plant growth as long as plants are able to absorb water and nutrients from the surrounding. For example, floating water plants do not have roots anchored in soil, but they do their work easily. Now question number 3 is a plant is kept in the dark for few days and watered daily. Predict how it will change if it is taken out of the dark and exposed to sunlight for few days. The answer is the plant will grow taller, bigger and healthier. There will be more bigger and greener leaves on the plant. So today what we have done? Today we have done page number 56 till 61 and review question number 2 and 3. Remember, you have to learn aeroponics, hydroponics, key points and this table, and question number 2 and 3 as well.